Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. So if you're wondering whether the man in your life is truly in love with you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about 5 things a man will do if he really loves you. We're not talking about the little gestures that are just part of the dating game. We're talking about the real, deep actions that show he's in it for the long haul. So let's dive into these signs and see if your guy is doing these for you. Number 1, he prioritizes you. When a man truly loves you, he makes sure you're a priority in his life. It's not about you being the only thing on his mind all the time, but when it matters, he makes time for you. Whether it's an important event, a date, or just spending quality time together, he'll clear his schedule to be with you. A man who loves you won't hesitate to show you that you come first. This doesn't mean he'll cancel his life or abandon his friends, but when he's with you, he's fully there. He listens to you, he cares about your feelings, and he wants to make sure you're taken care of. If your man consistently puts you first, it's a strong indicator that he's genuinely in love. Number 2, he shows vulnerability. Love isn't just about the good times. It's also about being open and vulnerable. If a man truly loves you, he won't hide his emotions. He'll open up to you, share his fears, his hopes, his dreams, and even his past. Vulnerability shows trust and confidence in you and the relationship. He wants you to know the real him, not just the perfect version. If he's comfortable being himself around you, expressing his feelings and letting his guard down, it means he sees you as a safe space and someone he can count on. Love requires trust, and showing vulnerability is one of the deepest signs of that trust. Number 3, he supports you through everything. A man who really loves you is your biggest cheerleader. Whether it's your career, your passions, or even your personal challenges, he's there supporting you every step of the way. He won't just say he supports you, he'll show it through his actions. If you're going through a tough time, he'll be the one who stands by you, listens to you, and helps you through it. Love isn't just about enjoying the good moments together. It's about sticking together through thick and thin. He'll celebrate your successes and pick you up when you fall. His support will never be conditional. If he truly loves you, he's with you for the long ride. Number 4, he makes effort to make you happy. When a man is in love with you, he genuinely cares about your happiness. It's not about grand gestures all the time. It's the small things. Maybe he remembers the little things you love, like your favorite coffee or a special date you had, and surprises you with them. He pays attention to your needs, your moods, and your desires. If he's consistently making an effort to put a smile on your face, to cheer you up when you're down, or simply doing what makes you happy, it's a clear sign that his love is real. He wants to see you thrive, laugh, and enjoy life, and he's willing to make an effort to ensure that happens. Number 5, he invests in the future together. A man who truly loves you isn't just focused on the present. He's thinking about your future together. He talks about the future, makes plans, and sees you as part of it. Whether it's planning vacations, discussing where to live, or even talking about bigger life goals, he's imagining a life with you in it. He doesn't just see you as a temporary part of his life. He wants you to be there for the long haul. If he's committed to building a future with you, whether it's career-wise, personally, or in terms of family, it's a sure sign that his love is real and lasting. So there you have it, 5 things a man will do if he really loves you. If your guy is showing you these signs, then you can feel confident that his feelings for you are genuine. Remember, love is about effort, consistency, and making each other feel valued and cherished. If you're seeing these actions from him, it's clear that he's in love with you. Thanks for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced any of these signs in your relationship. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship tips. See you in the next video.